Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Maaser Sheni Perek Bet Mishnah Gima. If you remember last Mishnah, we had an interesting machloket back and forth between Rabbi Shimon and Chachamim, whether or not we're allowed to go ahead and use Maaser Sheni oil and rub it into someone else's skin in Yerushalayim or not. The main point of the machloket was, is it something that we can learn from Teruma or not? We know Teruma, you're allowed to go ahead and rub oil into someone else's skin. Right? We don't consider it, some type of, Israel now benefiting from Teruma. That's okay, right? If the Israel rubs it into the Kohen's skin, so too it should be allowed in Maaser Sheni. And Rabbi Shimon's pushback was, no, we saw other areas where Maaser Sheni had Tumra over Teruma. Just because something is allowed by Teruma doesn't necessarily, mean it's going to be allowed in all cases of Maaser Sheni. And this Mishnah is one of those examples where something, in regards to the Fenugreek, right, the tiltan of Maaser Sheni, we'll see something is forbidden, even though it is allowed by Fenugreek of Teruma. And what's that? Tiltan shel Maaser Sheni te'achel tzimchonim. When it comes to Fenugreek of Maaser Sheni, you need to eat it in its more natural, earlier stage. You can't wait for it to grow, right, for it to, become, just wait it out, because the longer you wait for it, if you let it dry out, it will dry out and it won't be fit for eating. Right, so you need to eat it earlier on. But when it comes to Teruma, right, you're allowed to leave it until it dries. That's the main point of the Mishnah. The Mishnah continues: the shil Teruma, Fenugreek of Teruma, Bet Shammai Omrim, right? Another separate machloket when it comes to Fenugreek of Teruma, whether or not you let it cause Tumah to it or not. So Bet Shammai Omrim Kol Maaseh B'Tahara. Right, everything that you do needs to be b'tahara, because we treat it like food, and you're not letting make Teruma food tameh. Right, you can cause Tumah to Teruma food. Right, except when you come to, like, when you're cleaning yourself and you want to use it to clean your body. Already at that point, it's already it's something that's already nifsad. It's already ruined. So therefore, okay, so at that point you could already use it on your body. It's already it's already wasted, right? It's already not considered food already at that point. So therefore, you can rub it on your body and and cause tumah to it. And betilel, the other extreme. Betilel, no, we don't even treat it like food. Kol ma'aseh b'tumah. You can do anything you want b'tumah. It's not considered food. It's not considered food where you're going to cause tumah to it. Where it's like, no, it's not. Except for when you're actually soaking it, right? When you're soaking this fenugreek into water. Okay, at that point, that would be causing tum'ah with your own hands. Like you're actually causing the tum'ah. You're taking it and you're putting it into the water and you makshir it and you're going to cause the tum'ah right at that very moment. So that you can't do. But everything else would be allowed to do with tum'ah. Right? So we see from this Mishnah, right, something that is more strict when it comes to Maaser Sheni, even though by Teruma there is a leniency, and this is Rabbi Shimon's pushback at Hachamim, even though halacha is like Hachamim that we mentioned in the last Mishnah.